If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to help recover your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is slow or intermittent, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues. Close GTA 5 completely and then relaunch it. This can refresh your connection to the game's servers and may help eliminate the timeout error. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your version of GTA 5 is up to date. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform PC, Xbox, PlayStation and install them. Updates often include fixes for bugs and server issues that could be causing the timeout. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online before you can connect. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block your connection to the game servers. Check your firewall settings to ensure that GTA 5 is allowed to communicate through it. You may also want to temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and recover from the server timeout issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.